I love the Legal Shield membership. Quick story. My incredible wife took me to Savannah, Georgia for my birthday. We landed at 3 p.m., had dinner scheduled for 6 p.m. We get off, we go to the baggage carousel. Her bag is there, my bag isn't there. By the time they figured out that they did not have my bag, it was 4:30 p.m. Again, dinner's at 6. We're meeting people from Florida, Georgia. They're all coming up for the celebration. To make a long story go away, they tell us, go get the clothes you need for the weekend. We did that. They said, present the receipts and we'll reimburse you. We did that. Then they told us, after we presented the receipts, that they were only going to give us about 75% of our money. My wife said, we wouldn't have bought 100% of this stuff had you not lost his bag. I told her, stop arguing with the airline. Let's go ahead and present this to our attorneys. They, in turn, presented the exact same receipts along with a demand letter, and guess who got 100% of their money? We did. All of those things we never would have done had we not had a Legal Shield membership. Thank you, Legal Shield.